Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share a quick tutorial with you to show you how to create Instagram story highlight covers that perfectly match your Instagram feed. If you're anything like me, your feed is pretty consistent, but you don't have a perfect color scheme that all of your pictures match. For me, my feed tends to change from season to season, and so I use this tip that I'm going to share with you today to create highlight covers that always match my Instagram feed. If you're new here, my name is Justine Haveland. I make videos every week to help you start and grow an online business. So let's jump in to the screen share.
Okay, so the first thing that you can do is come to colorcooler.com and put in your Instagram handle and hit enter. And then it's going to show you the color palette that it's pulling up for your feed. And sometimes it's really accurate and helpful, and sometimes it's not as helpful. If it's not as helpful, what you might want to do is simply grab a couple of colors that you think are a good representation of the feel of your feed, and then take them on to the next step, which I'll show you in a moment. So I like this yellow. So what I'm going to do is use a color picker plugin called ColorZilla. And when you install it into your Chrome browser and you click on it and hit Page Color Picker, then anywhere on your page that you hold your mouse, it's going to tell you what color it is, and when you click, it will copy it. So I'm going to go ahead and click and copy the yellow, and then I'm going to come over here to colors.co. And what this does is generate a color palette for you, and then you can lock in the colors that you like. So starting on the very left, I'm going to go ahead and click in here and paste in that yellow, and then I'm going to click to lock it in place. Then when I hit the space bar, it's going to generate another color palette for me. And so it will suggest colors that it thinks looks good with this particular yellow. I actually really like this gray, blue, and this kind of pinky red color. So I'm going to go ahead and lock those in as well. And then I'm going to hit space one more time just to see what it generates for me. And I think I'm going to go ahead and lock in this blue as well. So I really like this palette. Another thing that you can do is actually just go to your Instagram feed and again, hit the Chrome plugin up here, hit Page Color Picker, and then go through to a picture that you think represents the brand colors that you want, and just hover over and it will tell you what the colors are, and then you can just go ahead and click, and for instance, I can again grab the yellow that's on my feed. So if I'm happy with these colors, the next step is to go over to Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, it's an amazing tool that helps you create beautiful designs for free. So once you get your free account, you're going to come in and you're going to type in Instagram story highlight cover, and it's going to give you some templates. So you can play around with these templates, but what I'm going to do is show you how to start from scratch. Click anywhere in the white blank area, and then click this multicolor square here, and it's going to bring up for you a bunch of different colors, and you can also create a new palette. So that's what we're going to do. Down at the bottom, add another palette. So we're going to come in here and copy that first yellow color, come back into the palette creator, click add new palette, and then we're going to go ahead and paste in that yellow, click the plus sign to add another color, go back, grab the second color, and we're going to do that for all 5 colors. Okay, so I've got all 5 of the colors in here. Now I'm going to go back over to my design. So now I'm going to come in and see that my new color palette is here. And I'm going to go ahead and select the first color, come over to elements, and then I'm going to select what I would like inside of my highlight. I want to have a white circle. Go ahead and center that. Great. And then in elements, I'm going to go ahead and look for a mic. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one so that the same size circle comes down, and then go to the second color in my palette, and then find another icon to match the second kind of highlight that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and do those. Okay, so now that all of my highlight covers are done, I'm not going to download them from my computer. I'm instead going to do it from my phone. So I'm going to hop over there and show you how I do that. Okay, so we're going to come into Canva, open it up, and you'll see your new design in the top left-hand corner. And then in the bottom right corner, hit the little down arrow to download. And then at the top of the screen, it will say saved once it's been downloaded. So we can hop over to Instagram, open up the app, and then we're going to go over to the first highlight that we want to change. So for me, it's going to be interviews. I'm going to hit the three dots, edit highlight, edit cover, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the appropriate one, resize it slightly. It tends to come in a little small. Hit done in the top right hand corner and save. So now I'm going to go ahead to the second highlight and do the exact same thing. We'll go in, grab the appropriate picture, resize it, and hit done. Great, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. There we go. So that is what it looks like to recreate your highlight covers that match your new brand so that it looks fresh and matches what's currently going on in your feed.
So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now you know how to make Instagram story highlight covers to match your feed. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to do so if you want more videos like this, and you can also let me know if you have any requests in the comments, and I will see all of you guys in next week's video.